Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to attach files, pictures, and videos in a shared link via Google Drive. So let's get started. So I have here a Google Drive link for a shared folder and I'm just going to click on it. As you can see here, this is all we have. There's no options to attach files, pictures, videos, or anything like that. In order to fix that, first you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you want to click on Copy Link. After that, head over to your browser. Now on your browser, you're going to paste the link on the search bar, then go to it. Then you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Enable Desktop Site. After you've done that, you will now see the new option at the top left right here. So now you can attach files, videos, images, and whatnot to this shared Google Drive folder. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.